In front of me is Doogee S70, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on this phone. So at first you need to open the settings, then find and select Fingerprint tab, and now click on Fingerprint Manager. So if you'd like to unlock your phone, your Doogee with fingerprint, just tap on Next, and at first you will have to set up some backup to your fingerprint. So as you can see, it can be either pattern, PIN code or password. Let me choose pattern. And now you need to provide this pattern. Tap on Next then, and then enter a pattern again, just for confirmation reasons. And you can personalize notifications, so you can show all notification content once your device is logged, you can hide sensitive ones or don't show them at all. I will pick this middle option, hide sensitive content, and click on Done. And now it is time to use the sensor. The sensor is located at the back cover of your device, so just turn the device around and here you've got the sensor. So just put the finger on and off. You need to leave it up, and here you will be able to observe the progress. So let me do it this way. And as you can see, it has been added. Just tap on Done, and from now on you will be able to unlock your device either with this fingerprint, smoothly touch the sensor and then it will be unlocked, or you can use this backup pattern. Just like this. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.